Hey, good morning. It's Mr. Ferrara here. It is Wednesday. We've got about a week and a half to go here. Wednesday, May 20th. And got a lot of questions coming in about the assessment for 9.5, rectangles, rhombuses, and squares. So what I want to do here is I want to go over a few of the first three problems, which are more of the problems or the algebraic equations. So first thing I'm going to do is share my desktop, and boom, I've got it shared. And let's take out question number one. So I'll copy that here and create a new one. Boom. All right, and all right. So first thing is they're asking us what's the value of x? And we have a rhombus. Okay, so we've got a rhombus, and we know that the diagonal, okay, in a rhombus bisects the angle. So that means we can set these two equal to each other. So we got 4x is equal to 3x plus 12. So now just using simple algebra, I'm going to subtract 3x from this side. I'm going to subtract 3x from this side, and I got x, and that cancels out. X equals 12, okay? And just putting that back in, I've got 4 times 12, which would be 48 on this angle here. And we got 3 times 12 plus 12, which is also going to be 48. And it checks out, so we're good. So the answer to the first one is x equals 12. All right, and I'll circle that. Boom, good. All right, so now let's take a look at the second one. So the second one, sorry about that, had a telephone call come in here. So the second one, all right, and I'll place that here. What is the value of x when we have a rectangle? So we know when we have a rectangle, we've got a diagonal. The diagonals bisect each other. So again, all we have to do is set these two equal to each other. So I've got 2x plus 6 is equal to 3x minus 6. And now we're going to solve for x. So we're going to subtract, actually we're going to add 12 to this side. So I add 12 there, and I add 12 here, okay? So now I got 2x plus 18 equals 3x. Why did I do that as plus 12? That's not plus 12, it's plus 6. Sorry about that. Let's go back a little bit. So I'm adding 6 to both sides, plus 6 and plus 6. Okay, and so we got 2x plus 12 equals 3x, and that cancels out, right? So we've got, now we're going to subtract 2x from this side and subtract 2x from this side. So we got 12 is equal to x. And we'll just double check that. So we got 2 times 12 plus 6, which is going to be 24 plus 6, which is going to be equal to 30. So it's 30 on the first one, right? And then we've got 3 times 12, because it's x, right? Minus 6. 3 times 12 is 36, minus 6. And we've got 30, and we got 30 there. So that checks out. So in this case, for number 2, x equals 12. Okay, good. So now let's look at the third one. Okay, so again, we've got a rhombus. And I'll paste that there. Get it a little centered. And with a rhombus, we know that whenever we have a diagonal, it is bisecting an angle. Okay. So if the angle is 110, PMN, so PMN, okay, equals 110. We know half that angle is going to be equal to 110 divided by 2, which is going to be 55. And they told us that 5x is half of the angle. So 5x equals 55. We divide by 5. We divide by 5. And I've got x is equal to 11. And 55 times 2 is going to be 110. So those are our three answers. On number 1, x equals 12. On number 2, x also equals 12. And then on number 3, x equals 11. I think that's about it here. Let me just stop sharing my desktop. So I'll take that down. And again, it's Wednesday. We got about a week and a half. All you guys are doing pretty good here. I think we're going to be fine as far as the end of quarter and end of semester grades. Stay engaged, continue to do your attendance check-ins, and also continue on with your problems. If you have any issues as you're working through the problems, feel free to send me a message here on Teams or in Canvas, and I'll do one of these streaming sessions with you directly, and we'll go from there. So anyway, thank you guys very much. Have a great day, and make it a wonderful Wednesday. Take care. Bye-bye. Miss you guys.